Hello and welcome. It is the 30th day of November, final day of November as well, a Wednesday, and welcome to the Silver Charts channel. And today's action down about a dime in at 22 and a quarter Canadian, 16.58 American, 15 and 2/3 euros. And today's action, not doing too much, holding within this 18 average band. It is a declining average, and it's also got 2 days, today and yesterday, in which the highs has not been taken out, nor has the low been taken out either, which means it could be completing that of a double inside day if it is unable to either breach the lows or the highs by 5 o'clock. And I have done some research today on how the silver market historically has done whenever this situation has occurred in the past, where it has had 2 days like this. We'll call it the double inside day. And here's the results. In situations where there's been a rising 18 average, and this is not the case, the next following day has had 56 winning days, 43 losing days, and 8 tying days for gains of 30%. If you wait an extra day to sell, you'd have a couple extra wins and a 34% gain. The third 3 days has had less gains, and 4 days has had substantially higher gains. However, in that of a declining average, which of course is the case in here, if you hold it for 1 day, there have been 56 winning days, 49 losing days, and a gain of only 4%. However, for 2 days, there's been more gains, but the losses have been substantial. Well, there's been a 23% losing day and a 15% losing day in the situation of going down 2 days after the inside day situation, which means that even though there's been more wins than losses, the reason why it's down so much is because when it goes up, it barely goes up. And when it goes down free fall. So generally speaking, whenever you have any situation of neutrality, what's the neutrality within? Is it neutral within bullishness, neutral within bearishness? And that can usually determine how those play out. So we have the neutrality. It's got the declining 18 average. So if history says anything, there's a pretty good chance price action is going to be going up by the end of the week. Maybe not by much, but it's also got a very good chance that it's going to go down in price in 2 days. So it's going to go up in 2 days, but down in price. Now, to make sense of that, that means that if it goes up, it's not going to go up much. But if it goes down, it's probably going to go down a lot more. That's basically how I'm referring it to, as I've just pointed out moments ago. And within the situation, just throwing that part aside, just the normal stuff, as a break below this, you would expect a fast move to this low here and then a break in here. I haven't updated the weekly chart in a while, but you just be testing areas in here. And then on the contrary, going sideways in here would flatten the band out. That would make it this down move more neutral, but in order to break the trend, it's got to at least get above this band to establish a level of resistance. So thank you for tuning in, and take care.